Hi, hey, we're looking at another one here dealing with the same contingency table of folks who were surveyed, 20 folks surveyed, if they were registered or not registered, if they favored a school levy or opposed a school levy. And in this one, we want to know what percentage either opposed the levy or were not registered. So they opposed the levy or they were not registered. I'm just going to kind of write that down, and it's the number that opposed or not registered. So what percentage either opposed or were not registered? Well, let's look at this a little bit. The number that were opposed or not registered. It's that word "or," so it's the number of folks who opposed the levy plus the number of folks who were not registered. And then here's a key piece. Minus the number of folks who opposed and not registered. Okay. So to get the number of folks who were opposed to it or not registered, we have to see, well, how many were opposed plus how many were not registered, and then we have to subtract off those folks who might be opposed and not registered, because we'd be counting them twice otherwise. So we have to subtract them off. So let's see if we can look at our contingency table and see how many people opposed the levy. How many people opposed? Well, that total number of people who opposed it, that happened to be 8. Okay, now how many people were not registered? Well, not registered, we had 7 folks that were not registered. Okay, now how many people did both? Were opposed and not registered. So I look at the opposed, not registered. There were a total of 5 people that were opposed and not registered. So the number of people who were opposed or not registered, well, that's 8 plus 7 minus 5. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. So now I think we can try to get the percentage. Because the original question is what percentage either opposed the levy or were not registered. So we have to find the number who were opposed or not registered divided by the total number who were surveyed. And we just determined the number that were opposed or not registered was 10, and the total number surveyed is 20. 10 divided by 20 is 0.5, and we know 0.5 is 50%. So that was a fun one, and that's all there is to it.